esukuru y'okwegerya Burundi bwa Kigali ya Rocky Driving School nige gukomanya buna mpabwatu bukorera ubya asibirengo ao byo Burundi bwa Kigali nabo kwegera ekerengo gya A2 B1 B automatic B professional C light track D1 echuchire PSV Uburundi bwa Kimatatu cha 14 seater D2 PSV Uburundi bwa Bus CE heavy trucks F PWD Chiabantu bali nobolema bwigomba bwate short courses cha BCD na B executive obuye bwukwigira na Rocky Driving School mbulye buna ebirasi byabo nigo biri flexible chingakire cyonsi urataka rituko nigo bagosomya umwaka mugima aborukia babo nigo bantire nikiumbe kiriye gikurira y'ubusera bw'Uburundi bwa Kigali gia NTSA buyo nkwigirure aseze mu yemesa basic mechanics basic first aid na yanda mange batalire imeyo rugugurugusi asebali imeyo muchukisi asenyumba ya Market Plaza irange na Uhuru Plaza chinsage chinde nigochire asemeche ya Nyakoe ensemo ya Kyoge Junction na boigo asumuchukil Goris mbabwati special offer bono asebali bakolire ekerasigia form 4 mwake simi umu manager Rocky Driving School. Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi.
Biake gima mwanchi omuliriria mbya mono sana kerogendete gusangana into asomoro bile wensa kyabono mambya stogendete gusangana mugenete ase studio oyogendete gukwana regoreye katiba ya Kenya sogo chengere miaka 14 na yali twabere togoikirania nabo igo mechando keri twabere togwetera nabo igo nkikeria tubonete gukora amonchirio asensemo ye katiba mbya mono sana sibali mugendete kurwa ebirengeri bino kerondo Holi bagenda kulika ujumbe chabo asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital Jeria Kirbaga tebanga emambingia kuromana Mabarin Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County Kanyimbo Mwakiage Village na baiburi bane Samuel Ongeri na my mom Mariano Ongeri na bana bane Masi Mark na my husband Ben na bana ba Minto Evelyn Rebecca, Emily, Gladys na Douglas, Duke na Julius, tenga pamoja na bategerera bonsi batwale litko ligia. Ekerondo chenga Kefa atuya osababu Kirwanda katavanga watching live from Bunyakoni. Edwin Matagaro Brownio Nchari, good morning. Nikiwa Estates of Nyariacho, the capital city of Nyamira, watching live. Omosori Boge Susu, watching live Korwana Kuru City. Ekerondo chenga Piento na gendeta kubuatia Fred Onduko, Kurwa Vitare Bokeire Suni Kabonchari, Nikondani. Ekerondo chenga Honorable Cleopa Marisa, katavanga William Ruto needs brilliant mind like Bernard Nyamwaro activist. He has been in court corridors looking for justice of poor people. Say hi to him. Tevanga Nere Cleophas Ogembo, political analyst and foreign affairs expert. Kwa huru ujumbe ya Cleophas Kurugabo.
Santi Cleophas is my student.
Okay. Hata ngato isa konyora bantu ikomibu nae rutura bara agasa gotabo kenjira gete.
Embaroro.
Okay. Karikende nga toberto koranga nonyana ba Kenya ngwesoke bale bene ekero bakwamiriryo bakoreri bwe serikali. Lakini bikorombiro bya bire bigokorekana sinsi ya Kenya kwanyoranga mbaroro bagoitwa actually mbaroro babulite bakabono iga chiamate cyabo kigendete kubaligia. Kirokende noro chinga engane yo ne chu affect Ochia sama tukabosi abantu mbabe bagotwara uboba otesokia ase ogotumika ekatiba yabo because nga mbairo bosi bole bwo gwesokia kokoro korobikana elinde komochie serikali asama tukabosi nero chinga abantu mbatwara uboba mbali go chigwesoke bene.
In fact ndatengo the freedom into omondo ndo was reasoning with me no buliri muizondenga ngoma ete bono Raila obwate na Ruto bono bale serikali nga afadhali ngonya ndirianga Raila baada ya opposition nga analia abantu baragende kurubikana igonda te go tebinga ki abana bali bagende street taira ilo batumete na Raila taba etie narrative nga wono gende street genda murubikane in fact asa maandamano twalire amanene anga buna ya mau liberation of this country from the colony kurwazo mokoroni na arabu kaina ya koruna abana kento nkiriye kebe freedom into buna omonto ote ancheti omonto bwetugutanire kento nkiriye kebe ekiagera gukora kende yonse he is not losing anything or she is not losing anything why bwe bwatukire omanyire kende nge yakora akonyora abana babarubikana tali bana ba boda tali bana ba classified youth baba mama mboga tali bana ba mukokoteni abana over 10 million ba graduate bakorete different disciplines waigule ekere serikali ebe kirororo egotebanga the roles of the government is to create employment for her citizens so ekere gusanginga mirimo teyo no mwana osomire myaka 5 akolete civil engineering structural engineering akolete pilot akolete ICT technology akolete obonyagitari asomere to bwarimu wasanginga omwana oyo obeire okorire university osomeire obokongu emegondo yabo yaonibwe emechango yakorirwe abwata madeni help nero rabwente gochi gwakana wasanginga omwana oyo tabwatie emirimo eserikali tereire getambokero gyo kumurigeria emirimo egere emotumeke ase birianyorire gose chisemi kirianyorire egere nchiba isa komoita omate chisemi chigoita omonto chisemi echi abana aba banyora chi nyinge bakoro ku Gen Z chisemi echi na chichiko baita because iko baraba ngaini in fact a million times wetania the professors baba someti bono abana abekero bagende street mbato mirina Raila ekiagara na erore official orenge official opposition leader na erore gukwana ngatogenda maandamano abantu bagenda but this time amaandamano agakoro Raila Amolo Odinga atakorete atayo abana aba bakagende street boka batabwati mura yonde bwensi bagwa agitate for what belongs to them equity in distribution of resources creation of employment na ko create income jibanyorere nabo igokoranga ebintu binde buna amangana health na amangana ya NHIF aruro amuno bokurumi bore bokorawa no moske William Ruto ekiagara is the executive igakuru executive order ekera abantu bakurumire baye na kikwarora abantu bakuru kunga Gen Z bakotebanga disband a cabinet omo sike Ruto agakora agadisband so mo Kenya tayo kogenda kuobwa ekiagara kende ngiyo mo Kenya akora akolose in fact yo mo Kenya igwetenga ngakingo koran kubwango nduensei so ngonya noko kubwango bono ngonya noko genda kurubikana nkubwango nduensei that is what is in the minds of Kenyans all right not going to destroy property lakini kogenda kotebanga ki obokurumi bole Kenya obo menyo gose okomenya ko bogima bwo komenya bwo Kenya korokobe uchumi yasalekire so bantu mbali go chikwoba kogende street nga nkobwatu bali gose baitu ekiagara barorire ngaki nkoigirira bale ekurende ense yabo naende tigango tebiga eganto gekoro kunga koigerera oboene bwa abamino na abande tali ogotomwa no korangiribwa it is a spirit egoso abantu bune yaso abana just in a short while omoiko kabwata abana bakagende street bakagenda baga protest bakabwatu so omoiko yoso ira abantu warorire tuligo chikobali baga utagenda kogenda street nobody will fear no nyene nkwara abana bakoro kunga alpha nkwara abana school they are trying to demonstrate nga ekiaba mwabo bakwanire nabo kerebo. In fact, if you listen to interviews chi abana barororo okora abana mwana musini mwana munyaro kana roche okorizo nako temanga mami look at the TV. Ruto is supposed to protect us, but he has left abantu bakoro to the police to kill our people. It is inhuman. That is a 4-year-old who is reasoning more than Ruto, who is a doctor and the president of the Republic of Kenya. So what does that tell you? It tells you that the spirit ya zoiro mo Kenya taliko genda kuobwa until and when banyorire obosibole bwabo no boronge bwabo na Kenya yairanire koba ase yatakire kobera.
Okay. Akero kuri ile constitution ya 2010 ebintu nebinge bitaraba bigo ikiraniwa ase kintu ndaisana twaruche ngabarayi bagwesokia batete gukora mu nchirilyo ase katibe ya Kenya kirukende ayabuno mo Kenya ingikeliyo roche gitara ikiraniwa gosema nchirili kialiyo roche nga abwenete gukorekana ase katibe yiga
katiba debo yandigonjuru na ne genteka because nkyogonjorere katiba yana arakubuli ina arakubuli freedom into wachire wakombo iro mugondo no mugondo oyo wayo komboa osimeke jibando warore wasimekire jibando waremire kwa bosire wasimekire jibando jibando kiaberekire warore ayenga kyogo chakanga ki chibandechi njigo chigokora buya bono tigankoreki tiganchirusi ororo na ndende mebuya mana gusimeka chibandechi chikoba buya bono ndoigwana. So what I want to say, the constitution of Kenya is solid. Yani iyere ebwata ine buya egento getara korwa negento gekorwa implementation of the constitution of Kenya. So gepengere ngeyo gebwente go change. In fact, obochi obobwaba nabana siasa eba gotaka gochoria gosego okora amendment ye katiba erinde enyare go suit gose enyare kurenda ebirengere byabo. So the politicians in Kenya and Africa igo bago change amachiko kuba protect. So look at this nonsense. Frida osanginga ntobwate gento gekoro kwabuna CDF. Lakini ira nese katiba. Ekarago soma mangana a legislature. The roles and responsibilities of legislature. Wosomo jumbe in the National Assembly. Ega asia bwate ne meremerenga etatu. The constitution is very clear. Also mera bantu baitu. Number 1 akore gento gokorosia machiko. Amachiko tari ya kwerenda ayakurenda mu Kenya oyo mwakirete kura under article 1 aga donate chinguru chiaye asoko mwakira chikura agenda in the National Assembly ekiagara no amachika akora akoroziwa arosia machiko akorenda mu Kenya arosia machiko akoigerero mu Kenya arosia machiko akogendererio mu Kenya arosia machiko akogitera na koimukyo bogima bwo mu Kenya egina kiegente getangani a role responsibility of the member of parliament abekire. Number 2 emeremo yaye no ko represent ekerale in the National Assembly omojumbe iga kurwa se constituency yako tebanga na inchi na atenenire ekeremo kuru chibese chiko genda asi constituency chito chichiko tumeka na kera na kura ejine jekoro chipara ekeremo kubeka chibese chiko genda asi Ministry Education na inche nimbwate chiskuru nchire ntagete mochimokore kimobeke chibase chisaine egasiae no ko represent abantu bakuruku aba haki chikura the constituency ya. Role number 2. Role number 3 nege ndoye korokwa oversight yani okomoreka eserikali enene eyuere executive ekare president ekoreta amachiko buna yache finance bill egoje wito mu Kenya yani omate amachiko ande igakoruaze executive nere korosie policy na ande yarosie amachika yaja parliament ya nyarigereri ya sanginga mbiyare ya yande yatuguta ayande yanchirana ekeroba yakiriri chiko ngeri yabeire buya liyeira na se president yabeke gecharanga yabeire chiko so egasi ya no oversight the executive obotumeki bwechibese okobaga bwechibese namachika gocha ekerara mabe atagokonya omokenya egasi ye mojumbe nogotebanga erindi ikonyarekana naende nokomureke president nga nkwabegete chibese chiarenge kogenda kisi chirosie cancer center nchirachi ororo omoba seitio otebanga chibese echio chigenda ororo ngonya chiachiro ororo twatwarire a substandard contractor ose contract egokorwa a cancer center twatagete yarenge ya 500 million gose 3 billion iga twachikorigara ko twachikorigara tugasangia chibese chibire mwagachori tori muya so tiga a contract erangeri wato tebi 3 roles of the legislature wono nginare gote to koimoka lero otebenga omojumbe nero wende korani CDF. It is against the constitution and the law. Ekiagere klinege ntoba etetie understanding orders chiabo chio kwebe kira chibese egere baiba koruororo babe kachi girlfriend chiabo chiakora abasani baba bakora egere barauba tu ali chibese chinyinge bagore chigali chinene nandi baragere buya bali na nechi ndege baminyoka bakore ebintu ebuya. So what I'm saying ngotebia abantu baito ngelinga ki egento gekoro kwe katiba ya Kenya tetageti gonchoreri wakonde wansi asebon tigera aba implemented toisa nekenga ki chapter 6 na kia goteba omugaba no ibire chibese abu atu abe 10 mbabu ati tubaka be 10 chibese chirinjeira net warori aya ngakie katiba goteba aba Kenya bagende ba protest mbagende to protest baira basigari bako barendai atari gwakwetia gasi atari go sali bintu bya bantu akere bintu bibye ikiranire waigure na kiezera kwende goteba aba Kenya mbaba ise kubekerwa oborito bwa agento gekoro kunga chibango echichiko baita boba bekere chibango chiko bakonya ebintu imbi yabire bono to chenchi katiba gento getekero kina kigetaraba. So the Kenyan system of governance igere egento kere complex naende abajumbe osaba na siasa na iba bekebegetekere complex kwarore. Number 2 bakenya mbara so migwigoro ye katibe ye understand egere chikokolerwo goncholeri. So anybody who is thinking okora egento ekoro constitutional review na Raila Odinga na Ruto bagotebanga Raila Ruto to hasten review of the law. There is no law we are supposed to review. We are not supposed to review the Constitution of Kenya because we have not implemented it to the letter. Buneta keire. So obochi obunga tokore kwerende otigwe. But there could be a few, very few areas, especially as egento tokora inki togo chorera abana siasa ababe. Na sengenjo tobwate commission etali independent. You see egento tokoro kwa ndobwate independent commissions. Buna IEBC is Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. Katiba agete chinguru commissions kitware obosibore bwaye bo wetenenera na gokora korengana buna richi koliba begerete bakore emirimo ebe any other commission kwarorire ekerebe kireigo wasangia abana siasa asengenje batagete kuoirorera bache korenda amari bayibire yaba Kenya bache korenda chibese bayibire cyaba Kenya bagendere kobo na kobakwa haleluya kale na buba menyete na buba barakorera abantu baito batari gukora kende gyonzi wasangi bayiranire moino bachire beretirange barangeirie bachire baretire Independent Electoral Commission buna IEBC bebe keira abantu babo baria bago dictate ochakero mo chairman bakachi commission ngoma chairman oikokoreki executive yago tebi gose a politician yago tebi nganye president yatebanga ramama chini igokora mama warore turn right. So we don't have independence of the independent commissions. So we are supposed to have independence of all institutions in the country by with their mandate, bakore their mandate, mune ekatibegotel. So naro chegen toge korokwa karotu atwale tegen toge ale korokwanga the bombers talks na diko report. Egen toki arenge kibaombele Frida na amangana ya cost of living uchumi ya Kenya ya salikiri But what happened in the NADCO report where Kalonzo Musyoka was nominated by Azimio Coalition? Ningi ya jeteke kama. Bagatiga korigereria nga kitokorosi uchumi ya Kenya, bakalenta Independent Electoral Commission, bakalenta kerogyo Prime Minister, warari. Baganza kubeke bintu biri biko barenga boka. Bagatige birengera libyo mu Kenya, no bugima bwo mu Kenya, baganza kwebeka nga kiba kwegerera boka. If you look at the NADCO report, warari. And finally, what is it? My sister amanganaya agate kainsaga saleka. Obogima bwa mu Kenya bware korigererwa nga kiuchumi yakorekebishwa bugasira bakaleta bakabeke kerogo kioma secretary prime cabinet secretary wayuri bagacha bono bakaleta IBC bagateba bono ekero kwarigereria few days ndobwate gento gikorokunga a committee eyo ekorokunga selection panel committee eyo ego select abantu bago chikoba interviewed, all right? Ekera wa selected abantu bali bago chikoba interviewed by who? By the legislature. You know amagozo tobwate naringa ekepengere kikia begetunga all appointments chigo korwa echinyinge government appointments echiko genda in the National Assembly abantu abana kubako vet. Abajumba aba egazi yabo ligeretina ki toize ko chora Frida abe chair person ya IBC akaswati kalina kaya kali warari nani bono mbaiko rodango no muswati akaswati kali karakaya umaeta muna karakanya kini okangaina okaimoki okabeke kwende Arab Emirates omoire Dubai omurusi oro omoire New York omwebese omugorere gari engiye poshi kayene warari omorete ga Kenya ayoko modebinga egentekyo rangeria tallying officers, rangeri commissioners, but having a president, ningo nyamwaro. Warore. So that is the problem we have. So we don't need to review the constitution per se. But very few items to wente korigereria unabona ba tebanga as IBC commissioners ya babago chikobororo bagatebanga NADCO report bagatebanga tigatolente gento gikorokwa omuntu uri accountant na ande tolente ICT officer. Lakini inyora ngantu abwate Chris Musando who was an ICT expert oyo atebetenga na bekire metego buna rigati gashawa tebanga igakorara nelizeli moliraire nerindare are okerocho keraire eri marigere state house ntari raira tari go chikosoro nkore ndare tabaise goso aburukani buna naenda aburukanetie William Ruto na umuntu kurukuru lakini ya metege ya ekabutuka ona kero koira nagiga akotebanga Chris Musando akabeke metego in 2007 akatebanga boibi mboyo bogochi gokoraki oboibi bogakorwa and we ended up in 2008 January post election violence asengenjoya chikura chitaligo korwa fairly chitaligo tangazwa fairly chitaligo tangazwa there is no transparency no fairness no honest no independence as chikobwa kiwe chikura so no nyembona batebetenga nkorenta bare AICT experts as a commission it is null and void so let's have that one but we don't need to have a constitutional review let us implement the constitution first to the letter and then akaratu atuare milestones to achieve nga the country is corruption free abana siasa mbali kweaga achire bintu byabo mbali ko uraba Kenya bintu byabo wana ba Kenya babeire buya then we look at how now what else do we do egere bono mu Kenya ndobwate income egoswa per capita income gochia se individuals at least ngozangiole ngaki mu Kenya nkonyorare around some $500 to $1,000 keromotyenyi per capita income yabere buya what is the gross domestic product of our country to sanga our GDP mbuye what is the stock exchange rates chia egantu tokoroka nga eshiringi yaito twasanginga at least eshiringi ya Kenya iyekogorwa at around shilingi 70 gose 60 against the dollar then now we can think on what we do more with the constitution egere ekini omo Kenya shilingi ya Kenya ebenero ere ekogamba in East Africa That is what we are supposed to have.
Okay, yes sana. Ruto Nyabutombi mono sana sokende to kubwatu umurubiri kurwa chinse mochi tia Saudi Arabia Jeddah biya mono sana. Ekerando chinga Benadi birobeto biya tonyoli. Kerekende mulikirango challenge sange iberiga echichiagerire a constitution ya Kenya etaraba fully implemented.
Number 1, corruption. Number 2, mismanagement. Number 3, rotten economic policies. Number 4, politicians very egocentric. Those are the challenges we have in the country and in Africa, where those challenges are not looked into. Igainare mechando in precisely to what nateba mechando corruption, mismanagement of public resources, nateba mangana ya entrenchment of wealth ya bantu baregaiga na very poor economic policies. For example, we have very poor economic policies in the country. When you see the president's advisory committee, abantu kianda warore bago soase a finance bill, ba soase egentokoroka a budget appropriation bill, baro sianga abantu kiana bakorukunga economic advisory presidential economic advisory committee ekora wono musikendi ngabantu kianda ba wakan 200 million shillings. Those are rotten, illegal, illegitimate, backward, selfish policies, chikoro kwa economic policies. When you see a president ego tebanga taxation nere ragere tonyare wakana maden, those are wrong, backward, illegal, evil, rotten economic policies. We have, I want to give example under that one. The challenges we have, why the constitution cannot be implemented, is because now if you compare Kenya, around, I don't know, Momrodi Gali was 56, I don't know, William Ruto. Momrondo are about to go say 43, 44 years. Korua Senegal, who was elected a few months ago. If you read the history of Senegal, and the past and the present, Senegal is around now 8 months after elections. A 44-year-old boy, Igago's office, Yotebanga, taxation is not the policy, is not economic policy, our country again. In fact, our country, because of over-taxation. What is the implication of over-taxation? A wrong, rotten, backward economic policy. Both local and foreign investors and traders. Exchange. Are we together?
Yes.
Omo muroria akamana koimoka ekeraira niye kurendeise abantu bakamenyoka gochisenago etoko genda twaira ebintu foreign kurende, what we call them, ekero tokoira tokora foreign trade gochisenago taxation yerinse bono tigatogenda oro une biashara umate bikogenda ekero konyore somuni out of 1 million people who are trading igogo sangichibese the economy of the country egokina. So again tokende puna corruption agateba corruption ekoba free. What any other thing? Ekero kurigiri Kenya and Senegal. Kenya is a bedrock of again tokorokanga crude oil. Ochakere the Takwal the Takwal oil reserves. Warore ochenya kachinza tobwate oil reserves, crude oil reserves. When we are supposed to do oil exploration, Agatore is Kenya tonyebeke a club kia oil processing countries or clubs. Wasanginga Kenya terikobeko ekaroko ira na Senegal. The young boy thought how to improve the economy. Akatebanga we are starting oil exploration. Akalete company called Australia. Now in a few months now Senegal is stable. So those are the challenges we have among corruption. Corruption in the country. First, corruption yo corrupt yoko unereria ekatiba. In fact, we are corrupting the constitution of Kenya.
Okay.
So those are the challenges we have: corruption, selfishness, economic problems, wealth, entrenched self-wealth, and also not allowing the country to go to the path of equity in distribution of resources. You realize what was brought in Kisii? Nothing. kende nke yo John kialeta inke president yaleta nothing, and I tell him the president did not bring anything, and I told him and I say taleta tikende. Look at when the president went to Luo Nyanza inke irete over 200 billion start from mangana fish factory genda mangana ye chipara abegete gari genda mangana ye kwende airpass abegete gari nyanja. Are you seeing? Genda mangana ya fish industry yo korozia ebintu bikorokwa ebibugombira ali bikoruzi wase enali patch biko ba exported ya chikorozi chiusi chigozona mekiye goze masango itu. So if the president takes 200 billion, if the people of Kisii, for example, do not have a wish list, yakare president yago chaba mate ito tagete 1 2 3 4 batika chibe ase chimo ruchenzi jeru other regions, then we say the selfish politicians in the country and in Africa are the problem in the implementation of the constitution of Kenya. Ana mangana duwa.
Okay, kegerando chenye biro bitu bya tanyoli timetinga na yago yo mwali guchaso mwanchi muri ya neri yeye na nubune kyombe gya Jude Africa ngikelimu abere ngose ron kelimu abere moko imukya soka nekyanga omo Kenya ngumanyale obwene bwaye gwetire katiba ya Kenya. Be
yamono guchaza abantu baitu bagusi naba Kenya ngima bantu baitu bale Michael batuthigeri kuru Michael Ndizi TV. Litangani ngore nimbuya mono Ndizi TV asoko tunyorali bageli ase ugocha gukwana amanganaya tari turaba manyi lakini igotogote makurigeri kirali tuko nkitokora koiraniria asore ngambuya mono litangani nabagusiba itomo gotegerera Ndizi TV mwagendera gotegerera neringana lyo mwali onale goteba ndiringa Juhudi Africa igerororo asoko igerera obwene n'oburonge bwa Kenya na Africa nakiye kogerekuru kwa Juhudi Africa. Elia kabere intwe buna Juhudi Africa twabeire togotetea abananchi asechi county yao asobo kurumi bawo kolekana buna bono tokogende court twafairie bina nechi petition twali kamarube asoko make sure nga aba Kenya bali babeire bakoumia bakonyirwe na kurigeringa oboronge bwa Kenya banyorire kuruwe oborwaria ochiasiji semi kogenda mpaka samache na infrastructure development na moelio ngotebye mo Kenya umugusi no mo Kenya mugima na Africa as a whole nga obobui bwaito nigobore ase katiba ya Kenya. Obobui bwa Kenya nigobore ase katiba ya Kenya nero ere chinguru cheito nabo igobotambe ekero mwarorire mokumia mwaincheire ase katiba ya Kenya ase ekepengere kia 37 koimo kigetambokero gukura kubugoria amato na kubeka petition ase chiabisiecho chiabachandire nande nabo mogotonyora buna Juhudi Africa www.juhudiafrica.co.ke anye kobwata maborio gosota gete kwa rwanigwe gose kwa boronge bwa wasaliwe nabo moko mwanye mogotonyora kiagara chinamba yeto njiralia ande nabo mogocha mwakire Lydia nabago chotonyora otwakire simi twaminyoka twakura sobwamo
kabisa mbiyamona sana sogo ikirana ase studio nabo iko gosanga na into nabo gosanga no mwanchi muligelia na mbiyamona sana mwanchi mulia kwa bere ko gosanga na into kutoka chage to murubiriga gwikabone gato ikiro mwali no kwasemere kwaninga kwa bere gukwimenya mange wetera omogeni bweli tkolelero mbiyamona ase Joma ange yo bakagotwali bagalia bene gosanga no mugeni ito nabo igasensemeria Abigail Nyanchama oyo bagakweneke buna chibicha neliogiria gukira sole asenchera yabene kondo mwanchi muri gwikira no ngwikira omweli obukumulikira omurubiri bwensa kya bwili tkolya lero tumirane litkolya angyo astrabe tugusanga amange karibu tena
biya muna Frida biya muna soko ngalibaga
karibu tena
biya muna asante.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.